Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I recently purchased an iPad Pro 13-inch M4 variant, and even though it's a great tablet, it was missing something. Something like this. This is the Typecase Edge iPad keyboard case with trackpad. Yep, it looks quite similar to Apple's Magic Keyboard, but without the price tag. But how well does it perform? Let's check it out in this video. Here's the Typecase Edge iPad keyboard case with trackpad. This one has Apple's Magic Keyboard-esque look. This one is for the iPad M4 13-inch variant and it comes in an array of colors as shown here. So let's open up the box. Whoa, this magnetic and opens up like so. I expected it to slide. Inside we have a warranty card, a Bluetooth setup guide, another manual with even more info. Now for the keyboard. Wow, Pacific Blue looks really nice. There's something here too. A USB-C to USB-C cable. Almost missed it. This flap attaches magnetically to the top of the iPad. Wow, the hinge is pretty strong. The keyboard case is quite well designed and looks premium. The quality of plastics used is very robust. And the keys look quite well spaced out. We have a few iPadOS shortcuts provided here and a decent sized trackpad. In order to activate the keyboard, we need to turn it on using this power button here. It has its own battery within actually, and it doesn't use the power from the iPad. It's now on and we can now pair it to the iPad. Getting the iPad out of the folio case, we now attach it to the Typecase Edge by aligning the camera cutout, and the magnets take care of the rest. It's on there. Pretty strong attachment. Now the settings, Bluetooth. Select Typecase Edge from the Bluetooth device list and you are connected as easy as that. The trackpad is working and the keys are actually backlit. The keys feel really springy with good feedback. You could get a decent speed typing on the keyboard. The hinge and magnets are quite strong too and can hold up my iPad with no problems at all. The floating cantilever design allows for adjustable viewing angles, just as with the Apple Magic Keyboard. We are limited in angles, but this is not bad in any way. The iPad does tilt to the correct angle needed for visibility while typing. If it could angle more, it might compromise on stability and might even tip over, so this is good. The flap on the case allows for storing the Apple Pencil, which is an extra level of safety, as the Apple Pencil is quite expensive and this prevents it from shuffling around in your bag, which is a big plus. These little rubber spacers keep the iPad from touching the keyboard when closed. There is a slight space when the case is closed, so dust can enter this way, but this is necessary as this prevents the iPad screen from scratches from the keyboard. The top row of keys are iPadOS shortcuts. We have screen brightness up and down, app switcher, virtual keyboard if you don't want to use the keyboard for some reason, dictation key. Now we can type by just speaking. And you can long press the same for Siri. Backlight intensity, backlight color. We have 11 RGB backlight colors, a decent number with adjustable brightness levels. The backlit keys are beneficial for low light typing. Media keys. The function key here in combination with the alphabet keys allow for more functionality. The trackpad is of a decent size and supports iPadOS's multi-touch gestures. The response is precise and allows for great control when browsing and also watching videos. Even while editing, there is no latency in typing or with the trackpad inputs. They are both responsive and works instantly. Next to the power button is the Bluetooth pairing button, which you would hold down if you need to pair it to a new device. Once paired, it will auto-connect to your iPad when activated. You will need to charge the keyboard separately as it has a battery within and cannot draw power from the iPad as how Apple's Magic Keyboard does. This is what increases the weight of the keyboard case, but once charged, it runs for almost a month. Using the keyboard on your lap is possible as the hinge is quite robust and I felt no need for countless angles when using it as I would any laptop. Priced significantly lower than Apple's Magic Keyboard, it offers many similar features making it cost effective, and the keyboard connects via Bluetooth and once set up connects instantly and the shortcut keys enhance productivity. The keyboard is a bit heavy and will add weight to the iPad because of the batteries within. It adds around 885 grams to the iPad's 579 grams, so approximately 1.46 kg, which is within the thin and light laptop category. The Typecase Edge Magic Style keyboard is available through various online retailers including Amazon India and the official Typecase website, with prices ranging approximately 8 to 10,000 depending on the model and the retailer. The Typecase Edge Magic Style keyboard offers a range of features that enhance the iPad's functionality, making it a suitable choice for users seeking a laptop-like experience. While it provides good value for money and a robust build, potential buyers should consider the added weight. It is advisable to verify compatibility with your specific iPad model before purchasing. It worked well, was responsive, and gave my iPad a laptop feel, making it easier to get actual work done. So what do you guys feel? Is it worth it? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.